this video, I just want to ask you one thing. No, two things. Can you sell salt to a slug? Can you sell raid to a bug? Now to me, two of those questions only represent one thing, and that is hustle. In today's video, I'll be giving you 8 fresh new ideas of side hustles you could be starting today in 2019. I imagine most of you want to be a little bit more ballin' than you are right now. I mean, let's be real, who doesn't want that like side money, you know? So make sure you stay tuned to the rest of this video so you can get your side hustle and ball on. Let's go. And by the way, my name is Marissa. Welcome to the channel if you're new. If you like that intro, give me a like, give me a comment, and smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell because I have the freshest side hustle ideas right here that I'm going to talk about right now. Let's get right into it. Number 1, the first side hustle we got for you is babysitting. Now, babysitting is a really good way if you I'm kidding. I'm not going to talk about babysitting. Alright, for real this time. Number 1, we got show around as the first side hustle that you can start today. Now, show around is a really cool concept because essentially what you do is in your city, and this is really cool because it goes worldwide. In whatever city you live in and reside in and have a little bit of knowledge, you can be a tour guide, really, even if you don't have a super great understanding of the whole entire history of your city. I'm sure you know quite a bit, and really people are just looking to take them around and, tell them where the local spots, some history, good bars, restaurants, nightlife, stuff like that. You could do that, right? Now, the cool thing is it's really, really awesome. You can choose the pricing per hour. You can choose the location, the people that you want to meet up with. You pick the price, you set the time. And the cool thing is the more reviews you get, the more reputability you get, you can always charge more, of course. Now, I was looking on the website and people have charged anywhere from $18 an hour to $25 an hour and upwards of $30 an hour. That's a pretty good chunk of change just doing something super easy like showing somebody around your town, right? Alright, number 2, we're talking about side hustles you can start today in 2019, and that is Amazon Home Services. Now, if you offer anything, plumbing, making Christmas wreaths, making Christmas wreaths, remodeling, if you're a designer, if you're really, any type of service that you maybe already offer or have offered in the past on the side, you can offer that on Amazon Home Services. And the great part about it is that Amazon Home Services will back your company and it's reputable. So it's better than advertising your services, let's say on Craigslist. This is really a very great untapped source for local businesses because, just as an example, let's say somebody buys a part for their washer or dryer and your, local service side hustle or company is to fix washers and dryers, they're automatically going to upsell that part to your business or to whatever service that you offer. So I think that's a really cool thing. If you got a specialty or a skill, or if you're a local business offering something, Amazon Home Services is the way to go. Alright, so the third side hustle I got for you guys is Amazon Flex. Now what that is basically you'll be delivering packages for Amazon. So when UPS or FedEx aren't holding up their end of the deal, they are hiring people that could deliver packages for them. So this is really cool. Unlike Uber or Lyft where you have to engage with people and talk and be friendly, you can just deliver packages to homes and not talk to anyone. The downside is it's only available in the US, a certain amount of states. You do have to be 21 with a reliable car, some type of transportation. But I've heard from friends that have used it back in the States that you can make a pretty good chunk of change just doing it on the side, anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000 extra per month. And if this were to turn into a full-time gig, you can make twice or triple the amount of that. The better you get and the more work you're able to do for Amazon Flex. On top of having to have a car and have your own form of transportation, you do have to have a phone, download the app, and be able to lift a package that's over 10 pounds. But other than that, it is hard work, but it is a really good side hustle option. Alright, the number 4 side hustle you can start today in 2019, quick, fast, on the go, is VIPDesk Connect. So that is a website where you would be a customer service rep. Now, the cool thing about this company is that they want to match you, the employee, with somebody or a brand, a company that you resonate with because they have a mission where they say, live the brand you serve. So you really want to be able, or they really want to make sure that you resonate with the brand that you are representing. So essentially you'll be doing online, chatting, texting, over the phone, customer service. But the idea is this company has some of the world's top leading brands, so it's a good thing. And also the cool thing about VIPDesk Connect is that they do value their employees as much as their customers. So that is something very important when looking into a company like this one. So starting out, you could be looking to get paid anywhere from $18 to $25 an hour. It does come with benefits such as paid vacations and different health and life insurance benefits. So check out VIPDesk Connect. Alright, we're getting into some cool juicy stuff here, and what I got for you for number 5 is to buy and resell things. Now you might be saying like, Marissa, what the duh? Like I've thought of this before. Well, let me present it to you in a different way. So what you can do is you can go on Craigslist. On Craigslist, they have a free section where people just want to get rid of their ish, right? I mean, a lot of times it's in really good shape. So you can go and find something that's valued at a higher price or a few things, and you could resell it on the Facebook Marketplace, in OfferUp. If you're in the States, you can resell it on eBay and Amazon if you know those platforms. But essentially, here's what you would do. Let's say one day on a Saturday, you would go through and maybe spend 3 to 4 hours picking out and picking up things, different items that people don't want. And then you would spend another couple hours making advertisements on them on Facebook Marketplace. Now trust me, don't underestimate the power of doing this, because this could easily lead up to anywhere from $200 to $300 extra per week depending on the types of items you're reselling. So the other thing is, this is, guys, 100% profit. You really have nothing to lose. I mean, trust me, the yard sales that I used to have, because I had too much shit and I just really wanted to get rid of stuff, I made a good chunk of change from just being patient and putting my stuff for sale. I primarily used, Facebook Marketplace and OfferUp, and it worked out really well for me. All right, moving right along in our side hustle list, we got number 6, and coming in at number 6 is an application called Handy. Now this is a really cool application because essentially what you are doing is signing up to be a cleaner. And no, I'm not kidding, really a cleaner. But look, check it out before you're like, what the hell, I would never do that. Okay, so look, homes and businesses are looking through this app for somebody to come and clean and organize the business. Now this isn't like you're going to a hoarder's house and it's full of old mustard and all this nasty stuff. These people, they have normal homes and businesses, and they just need somebody to go in and clean. And if you're somebody like me, naturally, who likes to clean, who gets satisfaction off of cleaning things and organizing things around the house, this might be a really good match for you. And not only that, you get paid way over minimum wage, like anywhere from $30, $40 to $50 an hour. And of course, you can pick your own schedule, set your own date. It's, really depending on when you can do this job. And it's a great way to rack up some extra cash. I don't have the cash. Where did it go? All right, so now we're getting to the cool part of the list, where we're moving a little bit towards remote work and work from home jobs. So coming in at number 7 is one of my favorites, and it is called themuse.com. Now, themuse.com is, in all of my research that I've done, and I've done a lot, this is one of the premier websites for remote work. And the reason why I love themuse.com is because it gives you the opportunity to not only, side hustle, but also to really find a career that you're passionate about and work from home. Now, the staff really does take their employees seriously and their employee happiness, and they really want to match you up with something that you're going to enjoy. They even offer courses and different programs that you can take to help prepare you and train you for these different positions to help you be a better candidate to get the job. So it's really cool. You can head over to themuse.com, narrow it down, go to the search engine and find the remote work, and you could even narrow it down by industry, such as marketing. It's a really great option if you're wanting to lean into more of the remote work. All right, and coming in at number 8, I really do think I saved the best for last. I think you guys are really gonna like this one, and it is called FS6. Now think of FS6, that's kind of a tongue twister, but think of it as the Facebook for startups. This website has over 600,000 startup companies all around the world, so really this is available in any type of country, which means, if you speak a different language or work in a different country than the US or Canada, this is an option for you. Today I was just looking on the website. I'm in Medellin, Colombia, and they have different positions, obviously in Spanish in Medellin and in Bogota and all these cities, and I thought, wow, this is awesome. So really, if you're wanting to just go and look for a digital nomad job for 3 or 4 months if you want to escape, because they also have short-term jobs, like maybe 3 to 4 months, which you could just go do the job and then go back to your residing country. It's really a good route if you are looking to do a side hustle or work from home or work from a different country, and eventually maybe use that skill set to start your own online business. And that is why I think I saved the best for last with the FS6. So I hope you guys really got some value from this side hustle video. If you did, you know what to do. Smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, drop me a comment, let me know your favorite side hustle job that I mentioned today and how you're gonna be ball. Oh wait, I need my money. And how you're gonna be how you're gonna be balling after watching this side hustle video and making that extra income that you've been wanting to make. I'm Marissa, see you guys on the next video.